All right, day 4 of 100 days of Zero to Builder using AI as our pair program teacher. You folks are doing a wonderful job. If you're still struggling through day 1, is you're not struggling. This is the process of learning. Obviously, you're not struggling through day 1 because you're watching this video. But the point is, day 4, if it took you 8 days to get here, if it took you 1 day, it really doesn't matter. The point is to learn. Yesterday, we talked about variables. The big point that I want you to remember from variables, we're going to introduce the concept of rules later on. This idea that you need to be descriptive about how you select variables. You shouldn't just let AI choose those, although I do that. And we'll learn more why. Today we're talking about control flow. This is conditioning within your application. Basically, if you want to take 2 different paths, should you go left? Should you go right? If I go left, there will be some activities. If I go right, I might be at home. You should also understand the concept of while until. Or until while. While until while. You get the point. Basically, in Python, you are going to repeat a action until something happens. That action can be simply wait time. So we're going to go over to Cursor AI. I'm going to turn my head because it's on this screen here. And create a net new program. Your homework is going to be to work on Hello World still, but we're going to create a program that says, I'm doing a course. I'm letting Cursor know what I'm doing. And I want you to create an application called Curds and Whey that demonstrates this control flow concept. The program should ask a condition if the user would like Curds and Whey. No one should ever like Curds and Whey. If the user says yes, bad move. A condition that says, that basically waits until the user is finished eating his Curds and Whey, they got to sit at the table until they press any key, the wow command. Once they're done, greet them farewell or wish them farewell. And if they choose not to eat the Curds and Whey, great job. Let's see how well Cursor does this. I'm doing this real time. I haven't tried this yet. All right, let's run it one more time. All right, that worked. Let's take a quick look at the program. Very simple statement. If you want Curds and Whey, yes, do some stuff. While true, so basically while you're sitting at the table and you haven't finished your Curds and Whey, then once you hit any key and press enter, it says you're done. Have a great day. Otherwise, the if in the state. So this is pretty new. Cool. We have what's called a nested statement in which the far left sets up the condition choice. We go to the right as the condition choice deepens. And then if we select some type of command to run, we even go further to the right. This is a very simple way to develop code. AI typically will not do this. I had to call out the request. If you create code and you don't see if and while statements in the code, ask your AI assistant to do this using if and while statements so that you get the feel for when you see it in real life. You know what? Tomorrow's office hours. I'm excited. There'll be a link in the description for to visit and do the office hours along with us over on LinkedIn. Hopefully we'll have a special guest to join us and tell us about her journey following the course. Come back with your victories, your struggles. If you're not watching this real time, we do this for every Friday as long as I'm doing the build series and I'm not traveling.